Hello and welcome to Pretty Clothes. I'm Viv and today I'm going to be doing 5 different ways how to use dotting tool. So I'm going to start with the middle finger and I'm going to apply Serious Black. And I'm going to cure for 30 seconds. Here we go for the second coat. And another cure for 30 seconds. I'm going to clean the surface with some gel residue wipe off solution. Now I'm going to use Snow White, so 1 drops onto my palette, and I'm going to be using a dotting tool and flash cure for 10 seconds. And flash cure again. I'm going to repeat the same design and flash cure. And flash cure. And flash cure. And flash cure again. Now I'm back with Serious Black and I'm going to use a smaller detailing brush and I'm going to fill the white with some black, and I'm using a smaller detailing brush to do that. And we're going to flash cure. And cure for 10 seconds. For my second design, I'm gonna work with Concrete Kiss. Cure for 30 seconds. I'm going to apply 2 coats, cap the free edge, and cure 30 seconds. Now, back with my dotting tool, I'm gonna make some dots, some white dots, larger to smaller, and we're going to flash cure. And now I'm going to do the same with the black, but on the other side of the nail. And flash cure. For the ring finger, I'm going to apply Snow White. And cure 30 seconds. My second coat of Snow White. And cure again for 30 seconds. So I will take my black, my Serious Black with a detailing brush, 002. I'm going to paint onto the white. and flash cure for 10 seconds. Now I'm going to do the same but on the other side. And flash cure for 10 seconds on the last one. And flash cure for 10 seconds again. Back to with my dotting tool. I'm gonna add some dots to recreate like a puzzle. Now I'm going to do the same with Serious Black. And flash cure for 10 seconds. I'm going to apply Wolfsbane on the pinky and on the thumb as well. And of course have the free edge. And cure for 30 seconds. I'm going to apply my second coat. "30 seconds onto the lamp, please." Now I'm going to do some dots with Concrete Kiss and Snow White in a V shape. And flash cure for 10 seconds. And I'm going to add the tiny one with Serious Black. And flash cure for 10 seconds. So I'm using Concrete Kiss and still adding some dots. And flash cure for 10 seconds. And I'm gonna add some white on the Concrete Kiss. And I'm adding some tiny dots of Serious Black. And a whole cure for 30 seconds. I'm going to seal in the design with a Bone Graffiti top coat. And we're going to cure for a whole 60 seconds. Now I'm gonna finish with some vanilla cuticle oil. Here is the finished design. I hope you like it. I hope you can reproduce the same design with a different color as you want. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like and comment. All the product used in this video are in the description box down below, and until next time, au revoir!